My bestie bought me a Briefton's spiralizer a couple of years ago, and I absolutely love it. I wanted to share with you my Zoodles recipe. Spiralize 3 large zucchini. Then roast yourself some heirloom tomatoes with some garlic. Pop some plant-based sausage in the air fryer. Here I used Beyond sausage, and they were delicious. Make sure you save your juice because you'll need it for your zoodles. And then boil your pasta. Al dente, of course. Drop your zoodles in the pan with the sausage juice. Mash your garlic and add it to the zoodles with a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice. Then add onion powder, garlic powder, and make sure everything is stirred up really well. Wash and add some fresh spinach and roasted tomatoes, then season with salt, onion powder, and lemon pepper. Stir everything until it is all incorporated. Add your sliced Beyond sausage. Stir again until everything is well combined. Put a little pasta on the plate and then drop the zoodle mixture on top. Booyah! Look at that. It's delicious. You gotta try it. And oh yeah, get your spiralizer and the air fryer using the links below. Bye.